guys, today I'm bringing to you a Luvme hair review. So basically this is what the box looks like when it comes. That's the wig inside. This is the goodie bag they sent me. So inside of that box I also got a comb, and then let's get into the goodie bag. So first things first, baby, we got some nails, okay? Some nice little press-on nails. I actually have them on right now, so they ain't no, they're nails. A scrunchie, some earrings, and another little trinket, and then we have some eyelashes, and this is what the wig looks like in the bag when you first get it. It has this nice little purple mesh drawstring bag, and that is the wig inside. Baby, this wig is so cute. It is so cute. This is a frontal. This is a 13x4 frontal. It has elastic band on the inside, adjustable straps, as well as 4 combs, top, bottom, and 2 on the sides. This is what the lace looks like. So I did have to go ahead and pluck this wig and bleach these knots. As you guys can see, it comes in this little like Shirley Temple curl thing. I was a little shook, but ain't nothing I can't handle. So let's get into this install. So first thing up, ball cap method. We're going to do got to be a spray. Rub it in. Let the first layer dry. Do a second layer. Once that's dry, we're going to cut that cap off.
Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday through Sunday, yo. Baby, I'll love you one day. Baby, will someday grow. Till then, I'll sit my drunk ass on that runway on this one way.
So now we're going to take our makeup brush. I didn't add any makeup to this brush. You're going to take my makeup brush, put it all over my cap, and then I'm going to be using Ghost Bond for my glue today. I'm going to be using 3 layers of Ghost Bond, so I'm not going to show each layer, of course. So basically you just glue, let it dry, absolutely clear, glue again, let it dry clear, glue again, let it dry clear, and then apply the wig.
For survival, a lot of people gunning for the title, a lot of people trying to take us viral. I was trying to have a nice night though. Waiter brought a check for the meal. She said, babe, I think that was a typo. Nah, girl, I got it, that's light though. I can show you bigger things than that. It's gonna be a minute till I'm back. Let me get you images that last. Amex had a limit in the past. I had plenty women in the past. I done plenty sinning in the past. You don't need to know, but you can ask. On your backstage pass, all access, cause you bad. You could go wherever with that ass. Show to the shout, to the truck to the club for the party. You go in first with your girls, cause I don't know who's out there watching. But I do know one thing though, women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday, Sunday, yo. Baby, I'll love you one day. Baby, will someday grow. Till then, I'll sit my drunk ass on that runway on this one way.
So now I'm just going to take my comb and my blow dryer and melt that lace. Once that's done, I'm going to put my hair into a ponytail and put my elastic band on. Let that sit for a while and then take it off, cut my lace. To the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suites on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the past? Hit one
one, she say she got a man. Hit another one, it goes green. Must've changed foes on the team. Remember when you let me in between? That was 2017. All good, chubs to look around. Find one to see my type. Damn, my dog and he know what I like. He done found me plenty in my life. Problem is I meet this girl tonight. Then I go and treat her too nice. Galleria credit card swipes. I don't even know if she a wife. But I do know one thing, no. Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday through Sunday, yo. Maybe I'll love you one day. Maybe we'll someday grow.
So now I'm just separating my baby hairs. Pretty much when you're doing this, like, you're going to be able to see, you know, how everything is going to look. So if you need to go back in and pluck again. This is what I'm about to do because it was looking a little dense for me. So I went back in, I plucked a little bit more. Once I'm done that, I'm going to use my Eben holding spray. I'm going to spray the perimeter of my hair, and then I'm going to put my elastic band back on and let that, you know, melt even more. J for survival. A lot of people gunning for the title. A lot of people trying to take us viral. I'm just trying to have a nice night. The waiter brought a check for the meal. She said, babe, I think that was a typo. Nah, girl, I got it, that's light, though. I can show you bigger things than that. It's gonna be a minute till I'm back. Let me get you images that last. Amex had a limit in the past. I had plenty women in the past. I done plenty sinning in the past. You don't need to know, but you can ask. On your backstage pass, all access, cause you bad. You could go wherever with that ass. Show to the shout, to the truck to the club for the party. You go in first with your girls, cause I don't know who's out there watching. But I do know one thing though, women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday, Sunday, yo. So now I'm just cutting my baby hairs with my eyebrow razor. I'm going to use my mini flat iron and I'm going to curl those under. I've seen people curl it up, but that doesn't really work for me for whatever reason. I like to curl mine under. So that's what I'm going to do. And then I'm going to use, what mousse was that? That was the Erica J Fluff and Stuff mousse. I'm going to take that mousse on my edge brush and I'm going to just swoop it right into place. When you curl them under, I'm telling you, it literally makes it so much easier when it's time to do the baby hairs.
To the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suites on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the past? Hit one, she say she got a man. Hit another one, it goes green. Must've changed foes on the team. Remember when you let me in between? That was 2017. All good, chubs to look around. Find one to see my type. Damn, my dog and he know what I like. He done found me plenty in my life. Problem is I meet this girl tonight. Then I go and treat her too nice. Galleria credit card swipes. I don't even know if she a wife. But I do know one thing, no. Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday through Sunday, yo. Maybe I'll love you one day. Maybe we'll someday grow. Till then, I'll sit my drunk ass on that runway on this one way.
So now I'm just going to go ahead and define that part, and then I'm going to take my flat edge makeup brush with some foundation on it, and I'm just going to make a straight line straight down, you know, just to further define that part. I'm actually going to be curling this hair because I just feel like it's going to look so cute curled because of the color. For the curling iron today, I'm going to use my Conair U curler. That is this thing right here. I got this from CVS for probably like 20 bucks, and I've had it for like 10 years, by the way. So I don't know if you can find it in the store, but it's literally just a regular wand, and I'm just curling those away from my face, and this is what it looks like once you do both sides. So once I'm done curling it, I pretty much just pull at the ends and let the curls just separate on their own, just so that you don't have that, like, it's giving, if you don't separate them, it's giving 8th grade dance, and that's not what we're going for, okay? So make sure you guys are separating those curls.
Truck to the club for the party. You go in first with your girl, 'cause I don't know who's out there watching. But I do know one thing, though. Women, they come, they go.
All right, you guys, so here is that final look. I've been loving the middle part with the flip over. Like, that's been my style lately, and I'm feeling it. This is what it looks like in the middle. If you just have a straight middle part, this is so cute. Like, this hair didn't give me any problems. I had no shedding with this hair, even though it's colored hair. You know, colored hair, sometimes you have that overly processed type of shedding that happens. I did not have that with this wig. This wig is 180% density, but it was full, so I did appreciate that. I love me a good thick and full wig. So yeah, definitely check out Luvme Hair. I will leave all the information for this wig in the description box per usual. Make sure you guys check them out. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, like this video, follow me on Instagram at Kdotcouture, and you know, that's about it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Comment below and let me know what you guys want to see from me. If you guys want to see me work with any specific companies, try different hairstyles, etc., etc., I will do it. So just leave it in the comments and I got you. So you guys, until next time, stay positive and be blessed.